Hello students. Today we will discuss about the preamble to the Constitution of India. This topic covers the syllabus of BA Part 2nd and one paper of MA Final. Beside the regular syllabus, this topic is very much important as a lot of questions are asked in various competitive exams. What is a preamble? You all are students and you are very much aware about the importance of books. You have read a lot of books in your student life and now you are also looking for good books. But when you open a book, you find that there is a page, the title of that page is maybe like a role or preface or forward. That is the preamble of that particular book. It means that the preamble is an introductory and expressionary statement in a document that explains the document's purpose and underlying philosophy. If we come to the preamble to the Constitution of India, the preamble to the Constitution of India is a brief introductory statement that sets out guidelines which guide the people of the nation and to present the principles of the Constitution and to indicate the source from which the document derives its authority and meanings. The hopes and aspirations of the people are described in it. Conclusively, the preamble can be referred as the preface which highlights the entire constitution. It was The preamble was adopted on 26th November 1949 by the Constituent Assembly and came into effect on 26th January 1950. This day is celebrated as the Republic Day of India. Now, what is written in this preamble? As you can see, the very first page of Constitution is viewing on your screen, and we the people, we the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. The preamble has been amended once. By 42nd Amendment of Indian Constitution, the preamble was amended with most of opposition being jailed during the emergency in India. The Indira Gandhi government pushed through several changes in the 42nd Amendment of the Constitution. Through this amendment, the words socialist and secular were added between the words sovereign and democratic, and the words unity of the nation were changed to unity and integrity of the nation. What was the background of the constitutional and preamble? The preamble is very much based on the objectives of objectives which was drafted and moved in the Constituent Assembly by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on 13th December 1946. What is the importance of preamble? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has described the importance of preamble in his words. He said about the preamble that it was indeed a way of life which recognizes liberty, equality, and fraternity as the principles of life and which cannot be divorced from each other. Liberty cannot be divorced from equality, equality cannot be divorced from liberty, nor can liberty and equality be divorced from fraternity. Without equality, liberty would produce the supremacy of the few over the many. Equality without liberty would kill individual initiative. Without fraternity, liberty, and equality could not become a natural course of things. Now, next question, which is which has been decided by the judiciary, is that should we consider the preamble as the part to the constitution or not? In Beruwadi presidential reference case, the Honorable Supreme Court mentioned that the preamble is not an integral part of Constitution of India. But later in 1974, in Keswanand Bharti case, the Supreme Court verdicted that the preamble is an important part of Constitution of India. By this judgment, the Supreme Court overruled earlier decisions and recognized that the preamble may be used to interpret ambiguous areas of the Constitution where differing interpretations present themselves. In the 1995 case of Union Government versus LIC of India, the Supreme Court once again held that the preamble is an integral part of the Constitution. Now, some other things are also mentionable about the preamble. The preamble page, along with other pages of the original Constitution of India, was designed and decorated by the renowned painter Bihovar Ram Manohar Sinha of Jabalpur, who was at Santi Niketan with Acharya Nandlal Bose at that time. Nandlal Bose endorsed Ram Manohar Sinha's artwork without any alteration whatsoever. As such, the page bears Ram Manohar Sinha's sword signature Ram in Devanagari lower right corner. The calligraphy was done by Prem Bihari Narayan Rayajada as it was written in handwriting. So students, this was the brief introduction of preamble. In our next lecture, we will find out the interpretation and characteristics of preamble. Till then, be alert, be safe. Thank you.